Hello guys, we are making a new video by the way. Yeah, this is my plane. Don't. It's bad plane, I know. Look at Adam's plane, bro. You building a real plane. I'm building a mega real plane. Mega. Like the world's biggest new plane. That's so big. Wow. I deleted my other plane by the way, and this was so fast. I wish this is faster. And don't guys, this is not a hint about my next video. It's called Grow Garden.
Guys, this is so hard. Please subscribe, man. We're doing our best to do everything.
Yeah, please subscribe. I'm not even getting paid for making videos. Because I don't have enough subscribers, so please subscribe. When I have 1 million subscribers, I'm going to donate some of to you lucky YouTubers some money. A Robux. So please like and subscribe. Oh my god, this is my place for now. All field cans are going in the back like this. I like this design. My plane is going to be beautiful, bro.
Just come and look at my plane, guys.
Ooh, that's actually very good. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Mine is also very good. Look, come.
We also, man.
We also whip. How much field cans do I have, brother? I have more than enough. Bro, I thought I'm doing a slide plane.
Ooh.
Yeah, I don't know what
The way I'm doing the wings are so awesome.
I'm going to do the wing like this. I made this plane to be fast like mine is too fast. My other plane. This materials is from my other plane, by the way, guys. That's I delete. Yeah, this is a lot of fun. Better put better. No, we're not using this. Better wing. 150 blocks. I mean, I want more blocks. I don't know why. Even that I have infinite blocks already. It's going to do this restock soon, guys.
This. Guys, come to look at my plane. Come to my plane.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. Where is it? Is it in my backpack? Yes, this is. Come on, my rocket tail. Okay, let me close
you
my
can
backpack.
put fuel on your wings.
Yeah, I do that in my old plane. Where?
Me too. I can even stack.
Whoa, I'm not even done of rocket tours. Literally. Right, yeah, you know, supposed to be builder. You? Yeah, that's what I like. This feels nice. I'm gonna do this for my seat area. We're going to be out of the plane. We're not even going to dodge the plane. Not if you want to tools. I'm gonna add some more seats. Like my other plane. Yeah.
Everyone come to look at my airplane.
Oh, cool.
I don't like stacking it on the wings, so I'm stacking it above each other.
What?
Look at my plane.
So no, babe.
It's better than yours, man. What you talking about?
No, it's not. Yeah. This is the back seat. It's the most safest seat. Oh yeah, this looks like a real plane now. Yeah. I don't know what I mean, real plane. Now start to place it on. I don't know even. This need to be protected.
I'm almost done, man. I'm running out of propellers. There's no way this never happened before.
One.
I ran out of propellers, man. I have to buy now propellers. Oh, it's only one.
Field camps? This field camps are not like tables. Decorations. I want the worst field camp in stock, please. I don't know why
Guys,
I
come to
said
my
this.
airplane. It's not done, but you need to come check on.
Oh, cool. We can see from here. Let's try this plate. Ah, I know it.
What is your plane looking like?
How about you come and see? Because it's a real plane, bro.
So what's this in the back? The back seat? What happens is the boosters kill you.
I don't know. It's definitely the safest area. I don't know. Don't ask.
Hope your plane looks nice, but why is one part has wings and the other part doesn't have wings?
I am not. I won out.
You
Okay.
ran out.
I'm going to add more wings. Don't worry, guys. Let's test.
We can actually fly right now. Who wants to go to my test drive? I'm going to go start painting. No painting in stock and it costs 5,000. I have to. Bye, Ryan.
Bye bye. This is Test Ryden. This is Test Ryden. This is Test Ryden. Now this is your bad plane design. What is this? OMG!
Come back over here.
Bad plane design at all. God, this is.
Back for me. I'm so fast, man.
I am going down. My plane is not go up. How do I make our plane go up?
You crashed it, didn't you? Whee! Whee! I crashed to the wall. When you want to propeller, how are we supposed to do? Alright, guys. No paint is in stock. How about you guys come to my airplane?
I think they don't want.
No, just come. I've spent so long, man. Alright, Ryan. You don't like my plane, but how about you just see a test drive?
Oh my. This is not slow. I'm leaving.
Why did I just so Ryan just get destroyed? I crashed. Hey Ryan, are you done? I want to come to your airplane.
I'll tell you so I die.
Alright, I'm
Come.
on your airplane. Let's see. So this is Ryan's airplane.
How do you go in the back seat? It's the most safest seat.
You mean the most burning area? No, I would rather go in the front. Whoa, 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 whoa.
This is a test ride.
Guys, now we're going to show you our airplane. So this is Ryan's airplane. Ryan, watch out, watch out, watch out. Ryan, I'm so scared. I already know I'm not going to crash. I already know we're not going to crash.
I don't know.
Ryan, the entire bottom is off. Ryan, you're on air. Ryan, a lot of the boosters will crash.
Oh no! We are going to die.
I'm still alive. Guys, look at me.
Oh no! I need to save Adam. The rescue is coming.
Where are you?
Ah! Ah!
I still don't see you.
Where are you? Oh, my monster fell out.
I found you. I see you. Hey,
Ah, no, I see you.
come back over here.
I will go. I will rescue you. Yeah, baby.
Oh, Ryan, come back and save me. Ryan, come back and save me. Ryan, come back and save me.
I mean to save myself. I mean to save myself, not you. Dump
Ryan,
on the plane.
Come next to me and I'm
Dump on the plane.
You're going too fast. Come back.
I'm coming. Now dump.
Now let's go to my airplane.
I'm done.
But let's see if anything can stop. Alright, come on, Ryan, sit.
You blah blah the plane. Where?
It's so awesome.
My plane is like a real plane, right? Right?
Just come to mine. I'm so fast, guys.
Oh my god! Please do not crash. I have a family.
You have family? What do you mean?
I have a family. Don't crash. Wow, you're definitely going to crash soon. Boys, 1 million boosts. Ah, you reached to the forest area. Bye bye. Waste time.
Ryan! I'm crashing!
Come on. I will kill you. This is last time in the airplane, but I need to be with that. And come on fast, the video is going to end.
I'm coming as fast as I can.
Go, 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 go. Sit.
Launch!
Oh no, we are crashing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Please like and subscribe. I will celebrate in 100 subscribers. Thanks for watching. See you next time. What's that sheep still doing here? Get